Thank you so much.
to behave, then put in the body language into the whole character, how she's going to talk, what her tone is going to be. So discovering all of that, that entire process, and yeah, that was like reaching to Tara. And I'm hoping like the audience would like it. I've really put part of my soul to play her, and I hope people connect to it. Thank you.
Hello. Hello. Hi. This is Siddharth from Filmy. Here.
Hi.
Hi. So, firstly, congratulations to the entire team for an amazing trailer. My question is to the director. Um, we see a lot of tattoos ka involvement in the song, in the teaser, in the trailer. Is there any significance of that?
There is, but for that you have to wait till the film releases because then you'll understand why there's a tattoo on her.
Yeah, if he tells you, he's giving away the whole story.
Sorry.
Okay, okay,
Oh.
okay. And one more thing, why is the film titled Starfish? I understand the title was already there, but the significance of the name of the title Starfish.
Uh, so basically, the Tara's journey is kind of thematically similar to Starfish. When you watch the film, you'll understand why we have kept it Starfish.
एंड आई
कुछ
विल
नहीं मिलेगा।
आई टेल यू जो स्टारफिश है ना वो एक स्पेशल टाइप की फिश होती है अगर उस पे कोई भी कट या वूंड हो जाए तो वो अपने आप को सेल्फ हील कर लेती है तो इट्स द सेम वे यू नो ताराज जर्नी ऑल्सो वो किस तरीके से अपने जो उसके पास के ट्रॉमाज हैं हाउ शी सेल्फ हील्स हर सेल्फ सो दैट इज़ वॉट यू विल सी इन वेरी नाइस अमेजिंग थ्रिलिंग एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस
Thank you so much.
Hello, Shilpa here from Mayapuri magazine. I want to ask Milind sir. Milind sir, OTTs पर आपके shows तो हम देखते हैं लेकिन फिल्मों की बात करें काफ़ी सिलेक्टिव चीज़ आप करते हो तो इस प्रोजेक्ट में क्या कुछ आपको अट्रैक्ट कर गया फिर कोई स्पेशल थिंग जिसकी वजह से आपने ये किरदार करना ये मूवी करना ये डिसीजन लिया वो उसके बारे में जानना चाहेंगे.
Well, I read the book. The book is fantastic. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. And I mean, they sent it to me. And then, of course, I said, I'd like to be a part of this project because the story is so compelling. But there was another role that I wanted to play. but then they... But then I was ready to play any role. I would have played her role also. It's
I
such
will
a
not
nice
give it.
story. Such a nice story that I said yes. I really like the story very much. It covers so many aspects of emotions and relationships that most people probably don't go through. But you really understand the depths of it. You relate to it when you watch it.
एंड बाकी दो लोगों से तुषार एंड यू जानना चाहेंगे किस तरह से एक्सपीरियंस रहा क्योंकि 3 बॉयज़ हैं यहाँ पर सेट पर और एक लड़की खुशहाली तो किस तरह से फन बीटीएस कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस.
film देखनी
Everyone's pointing
पड़ेगी.
at me for fun details. Yeah. So
Tushar, give us some masala. That's what she's asking for. बता दो
some
आप.
masala. Okay. So my first meeting with our biggest boy, Milind sir. So I met him at breakfast, and he's like, "Tushar, you look pretty fit. I'm going for a 20-kilometer run in the morning. You coming at 6 a.m.?" And I was like, 20 kilometers तो मैं भाग नहीं पाऊंगा मैं जिम तो चले जाता हूँ but it's like too much. Like he's the fittest of us all. And
मेरे से नहीं पूछा अगर मेरे से पूछा होता I would have gone. So you did not ask.
So sorry.
kilometers.
You did not
Tomorrow?
ask me.
Tomorrow?
Yes, done.
Done.
क्योंकि अगर मैं बीच में रुक गई I know he's not going to leave me.
So that was my first meeting with sir, and I was like, dude, this guy's really fit, and I felt like underconfident and this small, right there.
That's why you didn't come. I forgot to ask you. But it's okay. Next time.
I'll prep for it.
Hi, this is Arham from Filmiki on this side,
Hi.
in the center. My question is for Ihan. So we have seen in the song also and also in the trailer that you're playing guitar and you're being a rock star. So number one, are you related to music personally? Like Ihan is related to music personally, and also what was the prep behind being or playing a rock star? If I'm not wrong.
So my first film that I did, 99 Songs with Rahman sir, I was sent to Chennai to learn piano. And when I read this script, it was very compelling because I resonate with musical instruments. I have piano at home. I play piano. I compose music. And when I read the script, it was like a get-go from the beginning. I was like, this is it. I told sir, like, sir, please don't meet any other actor. I got this. And it was authentically because I play music, so it kind of came naturally to me. And before any film, I like to prep like a month before, 2 months before. Even when I go to Starbucks, I don't write my name Ihan. I go there and I write Neil. So my prep starts way before. And it had great songs. It had the biggest production house backing it up, Bhushan sir and everyone. So it was a delight to be associated with this project.
Hi, Khushali on your left. Murtaza, you're from Filmy Beat.
Yeah, hi,
Hi.
how are you?
Good, how are you?
All good.
First of all, amazing trailer. Congratulations to the team. And,
Thank you.
Khushali, my question is that you trained yourself in scuba diving. How difficult was that? And was there a point where you said कि यार नहीं हो पाएगा, but फिर भी करना पड़ा?
I went to Malta 10 days before और वहाँ के rules regulations के हिसाब से till the time you're not certified they won't let you go in the deep sea. तो as I said, you know, अगर ये Thailand या ऐसी कोई जगह होती ना इतना challenging नहीं होता because you know it's not that cold. What was challenging for me was the temperature because जैसी ठंड लगती है ना आपकी सांस फूलती है, it gets difficult to breathe. So it took me a lot of time to adjust even breathing through the cylinder mask. तो उसके लिए मेरे को काफ़ी टाइम लगा. It took me time to entirely you know prep for it. Weather changes हो रहे थे, you know, you get a lot of headaches after that. But thankfully I had those 10 days. तो वो 10 दिन difficult थे. But when we started to roll, I think you get so much involved in the character. फिर कुछ भी आ जाए आगे पीछे आंधी तूफान, I don't think so. तब ना महसूस भी नहीं होता है.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Simpa ji. Yeah.
हाँ जी स्टारफिश की पूरी टीम को बहुत बहुत मुबारक. दिस इज सिमरन सिंह हियर. कंग्रेचुलेशंस, ट्रेलर बहुत ही अच्छा है. मेरा सवाल खुशहाली आपसे है कि
Thank you so much.
आपने एक वीडियो पोस्ट किया
हाँ
है
जी.
जहाँ पे आप मतलब देयर इज अ मोनोलॉग सीन जो एक है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग दिस इज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट सीन ऑफ योर्स इन द एंटायर फिल्म. तो व्हाट वाज एग्जैक्टली, ऐसे देख के लग रहा है दैट यू कैरिड अवे विद दैट सीन. इज दैट ट्रू? वो आपके लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट था?
Yes, it was very difficult. It was not easy for me to get in that state of mind. And I remember even before performing that scene, I had isolated myself for a couple of days. Did not interact with anyone. और वो सीन परफॉर्म करने के बाद भी मेरे लिए बहुत चैलेंजिंग था. उससे बाहर निकलना बहुत मुश्किल था. मतलब मैं all of a sudden I would just wake up middle of the night and I would just break down. और मेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा था ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है. तो मेरे को टाइम लगा उससे निकलने के लिए. But the way it is come out on screen, the way it has, I think, justified Tara's journey. Everyone, when I even performed, you know, when you perform, you get to know with the everyone's reaction around on the set. So they all were pretty happy and convinced with it. And I'm now hoping that even the audience connect to Tara. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
मेरा सवाल है मिलिंद से, मिलिंद सोम से. जाकिर सिसोदिया, जैसा कि आपने ट्रेलर में कहा कि इंसान सच्चाई से भागता है अपनी गलतियों से नहीं, तो आप इस बात से कितना सहमत हैं?
क्या कहा था?
ट्रेलर में आपने कहा कि इंसान सच्चाई से भागता है गलतियों से नहीं.
ये आपको फिल्म देखनी पड़ेगी.
Ji. We'll take one more question, okay? Ji.
हेलो मिलिंद सर, अंपिका here from Bollywood now. सर ट्रेलर में कुछ सीन्स दिखाए गए जहाँ पे ड्रग्स का यूज़ किया गया, कैसे सब दिखाया गया, और आप खुद फिटनेस के लिए इतने जाने जाते हो. सो आप कोई टिप्स देना चाहोगे? बिकॉज लोग तो हैं ही जो ड्रग्स का यूज़ करते हैं, उन लोगों के लिए जिनके लिए फिटनेस भी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. सो कोई ऐसा टिप्स देना चाहेंगे आप?
Drugs are bad. Don't do drugs. That's the tip. Pyar is good. Pyar is the only good drug.
प्यार का नशा करो. Thank you so much, Ampika. Akhilesh sir, one last thing for you because we are talking about the complexities of the characters here, जो आपकी कमाल की cast ने play किए हैं. Emotional ups and downs हैं, बहुत सारी layers हैं. How was it उनसे वो निकलवाना for you? और खुद कितना किस चीज से बीते हैं सर जो ये इतना गहराई तक निकल के आ रहा है? Talk to us.
नहीं नहीं, खुद तो किसी भी चीज़ से नहीं बीते हैं. It just when I read the book, I found कि यार ये कैरेक्टर के साथ एक्सप्लोर करने में बहुत मज़ा आएगा. और एक्टर से कैसे निकलवाना है वो तो you just have to talk to them, you push them, you talk about the character in depth and prep them till that peak so that on that day they just burst out.
How beautifully have you done that? बिकॉज अभी यहाँ पे हमने देखा रिस्पॉन्स भी देखा. वन क्विक थिंग टॉकिंग अबाउट द म्यूजिक, ऑफ कोर्स टी सीरीज है, म्यूजिक है, तो फना कर लो के बारे में थोड़ा सा प्लीज बताइए हमको.
बहुत ही अमेजिंग सॉन्ग है और बहुत स्पेशल सॉन्ग है क्योंकि ये हमारी फिल्म का थीम है. ये हमारी कहानी को आगे लेकर जाता है. तारा की जर्नी है दैट शी इज़ फॉलिंग इन लव एंड द वे अरिजीत इज संग इट्स डिवाइन with the Of Savera. I think they have just created magic. और ये जब से मैंने सुना था तब से ही मेरे ये लूप पे चल रहा है और जिस तरीके से आप लोग सब इसको प्यार दे रहे हैं बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, encouraged है. So we all are enjoying फना कर लो.
Amazing. Fana Karlo, Of Savera and Arijit Singh, उनकी collaboration. Of course, Starfish and his team के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए एक बार. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, for being there. And yeah, that's all we have for you this afternoon. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you. We'll do